Behind me, you guys are seeing a tension fabric backdrop cloth. That is way too many words to just talk about the simplicity of a backdrop in the photo booth industry. That's exactly what we refer it to as a backdrop. Now, this backdrop right here is a two-sided backdrop. I prefer buying two-sided backdrops because it gives me more variety and it means I have to buy less backdrops. So this one right here behind me, what's up with that accent, David? I don't know. This one behind me is a neutral gray, and the other side right over here is black. All right, so these are the ones that I usually stock up on just because these are the most neutral, basic colors. And of course, you guys can arm yourselves with as many different types of backdrops that you want. Now, I buy these overseas because I get high quality. This is 250 GSM, which is a thicker fabric, but it's still stretchy. And I love the way it looks once it's set up and it's not transparent. So that's also a turn on for us photo booth rental business owners. In addition to that, guys, I think it's a great idea that you focus on your brand, not only in the digital world, on your website and on Google, but also when you set up. People are going to remember your logo, and it's important that you brand yourself when it comes to, for example, a tablecloth. And a lot of you guys are already doing that. So congratulations if you guys already have your logo on your tablecloth. This tablecloth I also purchased from the exact same vendor. His name is Gary. This is not the first, second, third tablecloth I buy from them. I switched to this style of tablecloth from the ones that were nice and tight to the legs, because the bottom part, when I would have to move the table, the ones that grab the legs from the bottom, the extra fitted ones, those will start tearing with time. So I decided to switch to this style right here, where it just goes over the table and it sets up much faster because I don't have to go to every leg of the table and hook it up underneath the actual table leg. This one just sits like a skirt right above, and it frees up more time when it comes to the setup time, and I don't have to worry about it ripping. All right, so I wanted to share that with you guys. In addition to that, I just want you to see how vivid the colors are on my logo. That's another thing, guys. I bought a bunch of different tablecloths in the past from different suppliers, and even though they were very affordable, it was kind of transparent once they were stretched out, and I didn't like that. So this right here, I am super happy because, as you guys can see from the colors, they really pop and they stand out. Now, I'm going to be listing my supplier, Gary, in the description box below. So if you're watching this on TikTok, in the TikTok bio, go to the link where there's a link tree, man. Visit the YouTube channel, get a hold of my suppliers. This is going to help you guys save a bunch of money and brand yourselves. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.